looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and space for the whole family? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2019 certified pre-owned Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in Destroyer Gray. With adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and cross path detection, gloss black exterior mirrors, 20-inch high gloss black aluminum wheels, gloss black badging, real carbon fiber interior accents, tungsten interior accent stitching, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, sport mode, 19 HARMAN KARDON amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated second row seats, rear seat video system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5423.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.